This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, December 21st, 2012. Now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today at 500 millibars. You can see the storm that brought the snow and wind and blizzard conditions moving off into the Great Lakes. Bit of a ridge in between that system and another that's over the Pacific, but temperatures will be quite cool today. Highs in the 20s, maybe nearing 30, but likely 20s with some sunshine. That continues into Saturday as well. Temperatures may be a degree or two warmer, but it's going to be very hard to warm with the snowpack on the ground. Lows Saturday morning and again here on Sunday morning will be in the single digits, maybe approaching the sub-zero range. Sunshine both days, highs in the 20s to lower 30s. Here Sunday you can see some moisture developing to our south. That develops into a small little system that moves across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley down in through the Gulf. And we have another system over Colorado with producing some snow up or over there. Here on Christmas Day we have rain across the Gulf Coast. We have a bit of snow in the plains. Light is about the best I could describe it. Another storm moving into the northwest. Here on the day after Christmas, the GFS brings the southern storm up to low near Bristol. You can see snow wrapping around in the mid-south. And then Thursday we have that system beginning to fill slightly as it continues to dump some snow across New England. Another storm diving in through the south and west. And even a week from today, on the 28th, we have a piece of energy moving up toward us, another hanging back off west of San Francisco. But all that really does is bring maybe a few flurries or a light snow shower. Heaviest, if this is right, the heaviest snow, albeit moderate at best, would be across the Dakotas and Minnesota. We move ahead into Voodoo. Here's New Year's Day. We have a trough axis that'll be just exiting the area, energy to our south and east, big vortex up north of us, and this would bring a big storm, if this is right, with a low pressure near Louisville and a high pressure diving in from Canada, moving into Saskatchewan. So we'd have to watch that, but that could change. As well as this, here at the end of the forecast on the 5th, have a vortex with a lot of energy with it along the U.S.-Canadian border near and north of the Great Lakes. Bit of a quick west-east flow, and that would keep us fairly cool and keep the floodgates open from the Arctic. Temperatures, if this would be right, would likely see highs maybe in the teens and lows on either side of zero. Last night's satellite image showed the storm system moving up into the Great Lakes and the extended cold front from the along in the east coast or so, with some showers, thunderstorms, and some snow on the backside in blizzard conditions. You can see the watch warning map from a little after midnight. Some winter weather advisories, a little bit of blizzard warning still left in Wisconsin at the time, and a lot of issues around the Great Lakes, and also back to the west over southern Oregon and northern California. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock showing fairly dry around here for a change. Some snow and rain to the north and east, to the south, and again along the west coast.